Welcome back into this new video, guys. If you wanted to enable the security boot, I'm going to be showing you how to get started in a very easy way. So first, let's quickly check your current status. Go to your Windows search bar, and here, and what you wanted to do is to type these specific words, msinfo32. So here you wanted to choose out for system information. It should be displaying something like this. In the main window, you want to look out for the BIOS like this element, which is appears right over here, and this will open the system information like so. So if I type the word BIOS mode, it will be saying looking. Now unfortunately, we have made the purchase of this specific computer in Latin America, so we are not able to change this language into Spanish, so that will be actually it. So you need to access the BIOS. So if your BIOS mode is UEFI and security boot state is off, you are ready to go. If your BIOS mode says legacy, you have a bit of an extra work to do, which I'll touch to you at the end of the video. So it says now looking, right? So we can cancel the looking if you wanted to. You check out here to access your BIOS. Now unfortunately, I cannot show you how this process appears because I'm recording my computer, and this might be, let's say, making the restart button. But don't worry, I'm going to be telling you exactly what to do. So to get your BIOS settings, you need to restart your computer and press a specific key on your keyboard right as it is booting up. The key is different for every computer brand. The most common keys are F2, delete, for example, the F10 or the F12. You may need to try a few of them, or what you can do is to just go to your browser, open a new tab, and just say, for example, that I wanted to type the name of my computer. For example, let's say that this is a LG Asus TUF Gaming 15, which is this one. Let's say Asus TUF Gaming. And here what I need to do is to just type space. Then what you wanted to do is to, let's say, access. And it might be telling you what exactly I need to tap. For this specific computer, I power off, I completely power in, and repeatedly press F2 key while powering the laptop back on. So the BIOS setup screen should appear according to the Asus support. So these might be looking, I'm going to hit into my images, this might be looking something like this. Of course, only for totally specific scenarios, right? So once you are into that element, you want to locate secure boot settings. So the secure boot settings, I'm going to open this beauty, for example. So into my secure elements here, I wanted to make sure that they are usually with common places. Look for the minutes with the name that says boot security or authentication. You might also need to go into an advanced mode or advanced menu to find this specific options. So the secret step is to disable the CSM file. This is the most important step that many people missed, because most systems will not let you enable secure boot unless you first disable something called the CSM, or called compatibility support module. So once you have now successfully done this process, into the boot or advanced menu, look for a setting called CMS file. It might be looking something appearing right over here, or even this specific screen. So basically, what is happening up with this specific BIOS configurator? You want to enable the secure boot. To enable the secure boot, what you want to do now is that your CM is disabled. Go back to the boot or security menu. Look for the security boot section that appears here into the left section of the advanced mode. This is totally different for the specific computers, but some motherboards you may see an OS type setting instead. If you do, make sure that changes it to Windows UEFI mode. So finally, I saved all of these specific changes. Will be also restart your computer, and of course an exit BIOS command key is F10. So once you can confirm the troubleshoot, for example, once the Windows load, open the system information tool again, you should now see the secure boot state as on, And congratulations, because if this process is not successfully done, or let's say it didn't work, you may have an extra issues. Your hard drive password still might be MBR, which doesn't work with secure boot. So you needed to convert your drive to GPT using a built-in Windows tool called the MBR2 GPT. It's a little bit more advanced, but it's the final piece of the puzzle for many. So that's how you can actually enable the secure boot into your Windows 11. Now, something else that you can try out is to enable this directly here from the support of the Microsoft account, where you can just focus for settings, updated security, section the absences recovery, and select start now. Once you have actually done this process, here into the screen, just select the troubleshoot, advanced options, these firmware settings, and the restart, make some changes. All of this has now been successfully done. And well, that's how you can enable the secure boot into the Windows 11. But navigating those BIOS settings, you can get your system ready for modern security features. So if this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Text First for more tech tools and tips. And well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.